In this recording, we're going to be talking about how to calculate the area when given the circumference. First, let's talk about what is the area. Area, again, is the inside space of the circle. Circumference is the length around the circle. Now, what do we know? They gave us the circumference of 25 and 1200 feet. They are looking for the area. So if I just think about the area, I would start with this formula right here. Area equals pi r squared. I know that I'm going to write this. I don't know the area, that's what I'm looking for, but I know the value of pi, which is 3.14. Do I know the radius? They didn't give us the radius. So I would have r and then squared. Oops. To be able to calculate the area, we need to first find the value of our radius. When doing this, we need to come back over to our circumference. So step one, we're going to be using our circumference formula. Circumference formula is C equals 2 pi, value of pi is 3.14, times R. Now let's start filling in what did they give us. What do we know? What don't we know? First thing is, do we know the circumference? The answer is yes to that. Circumference is 25 and 1200 equals, we're going to put our 2 right back. The value of pi is 3.14. And again, we don't know the value of our radius. That is unknown, so we're going to leave it. We're then going to combine, we're going to multiply the 2 and the 3.14. So I'm going to multiply those. And that's going to give me 6 and 2800 times R on this side. Oops. Now I'm going to rewrite 25 and 1200 equals 6 and 2800 times R. We need to get the R alone. Opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide 6 and 2800 on both sides. That's going to allow me to cancel out the 6 and 2800 on one side, leaving me with R. And then I'm going to divide 25 and 1200 by 6 and 2800. When you divide those, you're going to find out that your radius is equal to 4. So let's quickly review that. Using our circumference formula, we knew our circumference was 25 and 1200. That was given to us right here. We then replaced the 2. We kept our 3.14, and then where our R is unknown. We multiplied the 2 and the 3.14 together to get 6 and 2800 times R. Rewriting it, we have 25 and 1200 equals 6 and 2800 times R. We need to get R alone, so we divide 6 and 2800 on both sides. 25 and 1200 divided by 6 and 2800 is 4. My radius is 4. We're now going to take the value of this radius and we're going to input it for that radius. So here we go. Do we know the area? No, that's what we're looking for. We know the value of pi, 3.14, times 4 squared order of operation tells us that we need to multiply our 4 times 4, our exponents first. So then I have 3.14 times 16. They give me my final value of my area. My area is equal to 3.14 times 16, which is 50 and 2400 feet. And don't forget, we're talking about area, so we need to make sure we have the square up top, the 2. And that would be your answer.